Checking in with the fitness challenge. Yeah, today's cheat day. I don't think you understand. Oh God. All up on the video. Yeah, yeah, cheat meal time. Loving it. Yeah. Yeah. Loving it at the moment. Got a hot dog. I'm gonna go crazy in the fitness.
Be naughty.
I'm allowed to. I had a rough week, so it is what it is. So hopefully I don't eat too much where it's gonna ruin.
You got that hot dog?
Got everything on there.
Oh gosh.
So I got a hot dog.
Go on, enjoy it. Let me film you enjoying it. Go on, enjoy it. Look at that. He's earned that. He's earned that.
So good. So good.
If you heard the bass in that,
And if you see like the little cheat tray our family's put together, all them sweets there. I'm in heaven right now, absolute kind of heaven. Hopefully I don't eat too much where I'm gonna go over, where I don't kind of hit my £3 target, but there's only gonna be one way to find out, which is gonna check in tomorrow. So yeah, I hope everyone has a good day, enjoys the weather. I know that I am, and I'm gonna be enjoying my cheat meal. Take care guys, bye.